Lieutenant Dan. All right, Lieutenant Dan gets jiggy with it. Yee yee. Got a couple backfires. Got to take care of that business. Gonna downgrade the jets a little bit. All right. See what happens next time. Yee. Almost tacoed. Ooh, baby. Let's make another. Because somebody's gonna say something. All right, the Challenger. That's a brand new drag racer right there. All right, that individual, that's the very first time they've been out. All right, so no, I didn't go out and smoke some Scat Pack. All right, that didn't happen. What I did is I went out and I made my personal best. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I did. All right, I wasn't out to race nobody. I wasn't out to ha-ha nobody. It's not how we do it here. I want to give a big shout out to everybody that showed up. I really appreciate it. A couple of us ran our personal best. 3 of us went out there and hit our personal best. That was badass. That makes it really fun. All right, this was just a test and tune. We were all just kind of trying to dial in our setups for the most part. All right, which we're getting there. It's pretty badass. All right, not easy. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work. But here's a couple pictures and videos of the individuals that came out. All right, hot damn, hell yeah. Also, Zay HD, I'll try to leave a link in the description. All right, he's going to have a bunch of videos of this day. Also, there was some Hellcats and demons and whatnot, and some pretty cool stuff right over on his YouTube channel. Hot damn, hell yeah. I appreciate all y'all. Ooh, yeah.
Kick-ass. This truck's running good, man.
Oh, dude. Yeah. The best ever, bro. That's nice, man.
big shout out to that man right there. He has been getting me a lot of video footage, and I really appreciate that. I really do. He also has his own YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description, but this is a shout out to 57Z. Yeah. You gotta watch out, you're gonna get pulled over. The man right there. Truck sounds badass. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, man. About it. Get rid of that bumper, you don't need it.